SEI is preparing for a dynamic breakout to the upside. This can be supported by the 2024 rate cut. Classic pattern we can see repeating itself on both SEI and Injective today. Meanwhile, the President of the United States family is managing a portfolio that's actively purchasing SEI as we speak. We could not be bullish enough. Starting with the technical analysis, and then we'll shift to the fundamentals backing this up. SEI is showing this giant falling wedge pattern. Going back in time to the September 2024 rate cuts, our VIP group started noticing we've got multiple falling wedges on these top 100 charts. They're all ready for parabolic moves to the upside. Those include Render, Solana, and AVAX. Those projects on rate cuts all saw the strong and fast price action that swing and hodl traders are really looking for. SEI is in the position to be first out of the gates with strong price action. Before we get into the local price target ranges, let's look at what's backing up all this buying pressure. So ALT5 Sigma listed on the United States stock market, and this is only the tip of the iceberg. It's a flywheel stock market listing. Just like MicroStrategies, they're going to issue more shares of stock, sell that to retail, and then use that capital to purchase more altcoins. And they're buying directly from the World Liberty portfolio. This is run by the United States president's family. The entire roster includes Ondo, Ethereum, Link, Aave. SEI, one of their new positions. The first family's got SEI indirectly listed on the US stock market. In Europe, they're now launching ETPs, providing investors a direct access to getting exposure to SEI plus a 2% APY. Researching the European crypto ETPs, the majority of them handle a basket of the top 10 market cap listing to the top 20 market cap listing. For them to venture into the top 50 market cap signals that they're finding exceptional value inside the SEI protocol. Before we decipher SEI's up-and-coming price targets, let's take a moment to reflect on some VIP trading plans that got our members in at discount prices. Back on June 21st at 22 cents, we put a trading plan together projecting SEI would have a massive breakout on July 9th. This is using macroeconomics to signal when cryptos are undervalued and about to see immediate price growth. Using this exact same strategy, we projected that August 1st, when tariff snapbacks happened, that would create a lot of buying pressure in the DXY, therefore artificial selling pressure across the altcoin market, SEI being a target discount buying opportunity at 28 cents. Looking back to the 2024 September rate cuts, this falling wedge pattern that's repeating again on both SEI and Injective gives us insight to the average price gains. Solana went from $130 to $260. AVAX went from $21 up to $55. Render went from $4 and change all the way up to $12. SEI is showing the exact same classical pattern. The falling wedge averages 150% upside. This projects SEI's first price target to be 75 cents at this prior December 5th local high. Projects like Aerodrome and SEI are on top of this key resistance and support line set on May 15th, when the central bank was discussing potentially changing their inflation policy. Since then, the air's been cleared, creating a potential breakout on projects like Virtuals, still trapped below that May 15th resistance. Powell was just saying at the Jackson Hole meeting, the biggest factors that will influence how fast and when the Fed's gonna print more money will be the labor market and inflation data. As that information touches down on crypto, it will dynamically affect price action depending on the strength of those numbers. You see all of these rectangles on the total 3 chart? Each one of them is a different macroeconomic data drop. Some of them, like the PPI and the FOMC in July, had crypto absolutely skyrocketing to the upside. It's utilizing this skill set. VIP members were able to get in a discount position on SEI without having to hold it for an extended period of time. Once they started making the purchase, the price started rising to the upside very soon. Group members were able to project there'd be a discount ahead during tariff snapbacks and scooped it up on the low one more time. That provides our VIP members with the means to dollar cost average, open positions, take profit, and rotate capital into different sectors correctly. It takes a lot of time and effort to stay on top of all the information the central bank's putting out, on top of multiple different crypto projects inside any said portfolio. Right now, one of our target micro cap AI projects just had another 20% gain today. This project, considered by everyone who's read the report on it, is an easy 10-bagger for the up-and-coming bull market. I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice, but now's a great time to jump into VIP and take a look at how we combined all this macroeconomic data with technical analysis and on-chain factors to unlock extensive insight into crypto price action projections, just like SEI is projected to have a massive breakout very soon, potentially as early as the September 5th labor market print or the September 18th FOMC meeting, when the central banks are ready to cut rates for the first time. By the second rate cut this fall, SEI is projected to hit this 75-cent mark, getting an early start on parabolic gains for the 2025/2026 bull run. Thanks for checking out this video, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.